Here's Union Station. Here's their elevator in stunning 4K beauty. It's not here. We might have some copyright issues, but it's muddled up enough by echoes, it probably won't be one. Anyway, here it is. It's beautiful as ever. Nice. Take note, with City of Worcester, that actually works here. 2,500 pounds, 95 feet per minute. Tyson Crowd. We'll look at the doors in a moment. There are the buttons, and there's the phone. Beautiful. Let's see how it runs. Lanterns outside. Closes once the chime thing is done. Love the handle being ripped off. Nice thing of beauty. And there it goes. That was the elevator. Hope you enjoyed it.